Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to add muted Instagram videos to your story in just a few easy steps. First things first, open the Instagram app on your phone and tap on the Add Story button located at the top left corner of your home screen. This will take you to the camera screen where you can record a new video or choose one from your camera roll. Next, browse through your camera roll and select the video you want to upload to your story. Once you've chosen your desired video, tap on the sound icon located on the top of the screen to make the sound off. This will ensure that your video plays without any sound when it's uploaded to your story. Now you have the option to add text, stickers, or other effects to your video before sharing it. Be as creative as you want, but remember to keep it simple and engaging for your audience. Once you're happy with your video, tap on the share button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a muted video to your Instagram story. By muting the sound, you can add videos to your story without worrying about any background noise or unwanted sounds. This is especially helpful if you're in a public place or if you don't want to disturb anyone around you. To recap, here are the steps to add a muted Instagram video to your story. 1. Open Instagram and tap on Add Story. 2. Choose the video you want to upload. 3. Tap on the sound icon to turn off the sound. 4. Add any text or stickers to your video, optional. 5. Tap on Share to upload your video to your story. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.